Hey everyone, I cannot wait to show you how I came up with this and how I put it together. It is a tabletop croquet game for little miniature things. I can see doing this for every season. It is so fun. Everybody in the family can play, and we had a ball, as you'll see at the end. So I'm just going to tell you real quick what you need. And I bought one of those grass runners at Hobby Lobby. I used two foam poster boards from Dollar Tree, wire jute from Dollar Tree, wood balls and wood mallets I got at Hobby Lobby, some popsicle sticks, big and small, scrapbook paper, and any decorations you want to add, any season, anything you want to add to this. So the first thing I did is I just glued part of the table runner onto some of the poster board. It's big enough for two. Not completely two altogether, but you'll understand. So when you cut off those sides though, don't throw them away. And see, I just flipped it over and I cut off the excess. And then that's when I'm using my scrapbook paper to make the rails, because you don't want to have to chase the balls the entire time. And I did the same thing, just flip it over, cut it off. And then and you can see this is just one of the rails. And like I said, if you save the other one, you can just use that. And then to attach it, I ended up having to use popsicle sticks to glue the sides together to the bottom. Easy enough. There that is, half the rails. And then to attach the two boards together, I just glued the popsicle sticks together to make it a little sturdier. I've used a lot of hot glue by now, guys, and I probably don't have fingerprints. So then it was time to make, they call it the wickets, those little, I don't know, the little things you have to get the ball through. And so I just made one, and then I ended up making 8. I taped the ends together because the jute started unfraying, if that's a word. And then I just glued them on, but then they weren't very sturdy. So I ended up putting some more moss on top of it to give it a little bit more, I don't know, strength. And then I made a rail on the front, but I didn't make it as tall as the back. And then I just popped those little balls into snack bags and painted them that way. Excuse me, because that's the best way to paint balls, because you're chasing those little things. Then I used washi tape to get my lines straight, made my mallets. Then the fun part, then it was time to decorate. I did buy the little bunnies at Hobby Lobby, the grass bunnies. The rest I really kind of had on hand. And it turned out so cute. And now we get to play it at Easter. We only played with 3 people because I thought 6 would be too much. And honestly, 6 would have been way more fun. So I'll have to decorate this for the next holiday, and we'll play it again with everybody because it gets crazy. Because everybody ends up at the same place. If you've ever played croquet, this one is no different. So I hope you guys enjoyed this. I hope you give it a try, and I hope your family likes it. And if you like this, follow me on Facebook or subscribe. Thanks for watching.